Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and test a new palette. I'm so excited about that. I just got the Norvina 4 palette in the mail and I'm gonna go ahead and test that out for you guys today. This is what she looks like. I do have the first 3 palettes. I think this is my favorite one. And here she is. Oops. I'm gonna show you, all my brushes and everything I have right here. See? It's kind of messy, but it's fine. We're not here to talk about that today. These are all the colors. They range from A1 to E5. And there's like what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 shades, which is the same amount of shades that's in the previous 3 palettes. And we're just gonna go ahead, play with some colors today. So if you want to see what look I create, I'm pretty much gonna go for like kind of a soft glam kind of look. So let's get started. As usual, as clockwork, we always do that. It's like nothing new anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with my Louise Base. I'm using that C525 brush from Crown. Go like so in stamping motion and spread that all over my lid. I'm so excited when I get a new palette to play with. I'm like, yes. Maybe I'll go with a little bit of 2. My brows are not even today, but that's fine. That's why I don't do my brows on camera, because I'm terrible at them anyways. I feel like, whenever they're same in the general family, like brows, they look so different. I'm not even sure if they're cousins. Maybe not. Like 5th cousins or something like that, if that's even a thing. What brush? Let's start with T4 from Makeup Shack, and I'm not sure which color I'm gonna go with today. Let's go with B2. Let's start with right here. In my defense, this color was too pretty. I kind of had to use it, so let's just blame it on the color, that it's so similar to the last color. I feel like first I'm just gonna go with like stamping motion, and then I'm gonna just blow it out in the edges. Keep checking my video, because when I'm recording, my lighting looks pretty bright. However, in my videos, when I look at them when I upload them on YouTube, they tend to pull a little bit dark. Bear with me, I'm working on that to try to get the lighting great. Let's see if we can darken it up a little bit with this shade right here, which is E4. This shade. And I'm gonna use another Makeup Shack brush, and then this one is T33. I was gonna order the liners, but I just don't really see me getting a lot of use out of that, so I'm just like, no need for that. I'm gonna go back to that brush. The first brush which I use, which is the T4, I'm not putting any product on here. I'm just gonna go back and just clean the edges. It's a real easy look to achieve, because I just use 2 colors, pretty much 2 shades of pink. This is a little bit simple, I know. We'll fix it. But this is literally 2 eyeshadow for the upper part of my eyes, so this is real easy to achieve. And I'm using the same moisturizers from Clinique. Put 1 pump each. Kind of don't like how my eye blended in here. This is a T38 brush, and this is a clean brush. There's no product in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my inner corner. I feel like it's a little bit harsh. And for my eye cream, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bright Eyed from Supergoop. I've been using this for maybe like a month and a half now, and I love it. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my glow screen from Supergoop. It's also an SPF, and this is for my face. I'm not sure why I'm even using a glow the glow one, because you're not gonna see any of that, because I am using a method for my foundation, which I cannot remember. Oh, can't get my words out. I can't remember her name, but she did it on Instagram. I did it yesterday, oh sorry, on my previous video, and it's so good. Like, my base was amazing, so I'm like, maybe I'll try it. Just keep doing this. So I'm gonna take my loose Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and this is in shade medium 25. I just take like just a fluffy powder brush like so, and just dab it on my face lightly. And then what she does is she sprays it. Let's use this. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. Let's go ahead and, this is a lot. Spray so heavy. And I'm gonna take my fan and I'm gonna dry it up, which is what she said to do. Make sure you let it, well, she didn't use a fan, but she said make sure you let it dry. So I'm just doing this to make it faster. After you do that and your face is nice and dry, then she said to prime your face. And to prime my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tatcha Silk Canvas. You shouldn't go heavy with this, but I always just tap it like crazy. And I'm gonna use this flathead brush from Crown. This one actually does not have a number, but it kind of looks like so. Color corrector from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in 10 Dore. I don't really color correct like on my face. I do have some spots, as you can see, but foundation takes care of that. However, for my dark circles, they come to play. Like, they are there. I feel like this is like my perfect corrector shade. Today for my foundation, I'm gonna use my Holy Grail foundation, which is the Tint Idol from Ultra Wear from Lancome. And to apply that, I'm using my 732 Airbrush foundation brush from Luxie. I'm 425 Bisque Warm. I don't know, this looks kind of light. No, it's fine, it's my shade. And for my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this concealer from Armani. This is in shade 7.75, and it is from their powder fabric line. And to blend that out, I'm gonna go ahead and use my 733 from Luxie. It's a concealer brush. See, this just blends like butter. It doesn't have the most coverage, but it's so good. And doesn't crease at all. Like, it doesn't give me any more creasing than I already have. Let's put it that way. I go back and I take my powder, my foundation brush, and I just kind of tap. Kind of just clean up my concealer brush just a little bit, and then go back under my eye. I'm gonna take that same Fit Me loose powder that I used to set my face, and let's use that to set under my eye. And we're gonna set the areas that I put the concealer. Actually, I'm gonna take this brush from, this is just a beauty blender, a sponge from Beauty Blender. For some reason, that brush was just keeping that powder kind of on top of my skin, and it wasn't really setting. And to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in number 2. I feel like this eye shape is totally different from this, which makes it a little bit hard when I am just trying to like just do a look that I don't use eyeshadow guide for. I kind of end up with like 2 completely different shapes. Let's see if we can fix that without just making a complete mess. I'm just kind of cleaning that up with my concealer. Much better. And we can fix that. I can just use my concealer brush, go back in with that sponge. Today I'm actually gonna use these lashes. I actually don't really like these lashes. They're Brassiere from Lash Couture, which is from Kiss Lashes. I don't like these lashes, but I bought them I forget to return them, so we're using them. Let's go ahead and put some mascara. I'm using my mascara from, nope, not mascara. Oh my god, I do that on my last video too. Eye pencil, liquid eye pencil, not mascara, eye pencil. I'm gonna put mascara on next. Yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm trying to be all fancy. Nope, we all know I'm gonna stretch the corner of the other part of my eye to put my liner on. This eye liner from McGrath, fire, love it. Now I'm gonna use Caviar Volume from Laura Mercier mascara. I've literally tried maybe every mascara ever. Anytime someone is like, oh, this is volumizing, I'm trying it, and it does absolutely nothing. I try lengthening, I try volumizing, still nothing. I have crappy lashes. It is what it is. What am I gonna do on my lower lash? I'm gonna do C3 right here. No, this look I have going on. I know it's simple, but I like it. I'm gonna use Alkaline from 24/7 Urban Decay eye pencil. I love these eye pencils. And I'm gonna use this. This is just a smudge brush from Sephora. This is like 100 years old. I'm not even sure if they still sell that, but you can use any kind of smudge brush. And we're gonna go into C3, and I'm just stamping this, and we will buff it off. I'm gonna take a T14 from Makeup Shack, and let's see if we can buff this off a little bit. I like to do my lashes this to just kind of wiggle them around so they're not super straight. The other lash is kind of wet, so let's just, ignore that and move to the face. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this bronzer from Vesca, and it is the Kiss by Diani. Sorry, this will be the second time I used it in my last video, but I love this. And I'm gonna use Maldives. This one is Kiss by Maldives, and it's the same one. This one is, I think, a tad bit too dark for me, but it works really well to contour. These are amazing. If you don't have this in your collection, you gotta get it. If you're a bronzer person, you need this in your life. And I'm gonna use this from Tati Beauty with my powder that I used to set my face. Just gonna go in, just tap it like this. This is just the Power Coloring collab, and I'm just using a dual head brush from Japonesque. I'm literally just like, and see how much is coming off on my brush. Let's try this highlighter. I don't know. I'm gonna use T15 from Makeup Shack. Ooh. This is actually very dusty, but it's not as white as I thought it was gonna be. Let's go ahead and put my second lash on. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use this by Pixie by Pectra. It's just a lower lash mascara. I feel like going bold with it, but no, because I'm trying to keep this look, a little bit subtle and cute and not so crazy. So let's go ahead with A1, which is this color right here, just to give it a little pop. And that's it for Miss Norvina palettes. Let's go ahead and clean the lips. I'm pretty sure this lip I'm gonna put on is not gonna match my eye, but I don't care. I want to use it. It is this lip stick from Hourglass, and this is At Night, which is a red lipstick. Not gonna go with my eye, but I want to put it on. I don't care. Let's use this liner. This is from YSL, and it's number 29, which is Common. I know I still have powder here. Let's go back to my foundation brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my finishing spray from Scandinavia, and this is the oil control one. I have to hold my breath to spray this, and I'm like, ah. And here's the final look. The only new product that I used today is the palette from Norvina, which is, you know, the ABH line. She had those 4 palettes. This one I think is the final one, but it's the 4th one. This is my favorite one. I do love the colors in there. I knew the palette was gonna work great. I've used this 1, 2, and 3 before, so I knew it was gonna be the same formula. They are $60, so you know, if you have 1, 2, and 3, or if you have one, there's no need to get 2, 3, and 4. I do buy all the, you know, palettes myself, so I can, you know, review it for you guys. But if you want to try one of the palettes, this one is by far my favorite, just because of the color scheme, not because of the formula. So yep, that's my final thoughts. All the products that I have I've used before, except the lipstick, which I love the lipstick. I'm not sure if it really goes with this look, but I wanted to try that lipstick on. It's definitely not matte, so it will transfer, but if you just want, you know, a nice red to kind of, you know, to complement the look, if you have a really simple eye and you want a nice red lipstick, I would recommend this lipstick from Hourglass. It is kind of small and it is pricey, but I like it. And that's it for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.